Hello everybody, today in this video I will show you how to easily block someone from viewing your Instagram story in this step-by-step tutorial, so let's jump right into it. First open Instagram and then let us post a story. I'm just going to use this random picture for the example of this video. Now after posting the story, all I need to do is to wait for it to post completely and then I go ahead and open it. Once you open it, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. When this menu pops up, tap on Story Settings. Tap on Hide Story from 0 people, and then just tap on the users that you want to block from viewing your story. It is as simple as that. Now, if you want to do the whole process without having to post a story in the first place, tap here in the bottom, and then tap here in the top right corner, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, look for Hide Story and Live, tap on it. Tap on Hide Story and Live from, and then from here again, just tap on the users that you want to block from viewing your story. Quit this section and you should be good to go. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.